an acoustic guitar, the best way is to hold it by setting it on your knee. Then I usually prop my foot up slightly on a little stool. I have down here a little footstool. You can use anything. I use a little pillow sometimes, or cross my leg. What I'm doing is using this bout of the guitar to kind of hold the guitar steady. Now, your right hand is going to slightly hold the guitar into your body right at the crux of your elbow. That way you don't need to hold it with your left hand and you can move around the neck freely. I strongly recommend when you hold the guitar, you also put a guitar strap on it because that will make it steady and it will also make it the right height. So if you do want to play standing up, the guitar will stay in exactly the same spot. If you're playing electric guitar, I'd say a strap is mandatory because they tend to slip really easily. And you are going to most likely play standing up at some point.